In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in Lovable project. This is an essential skill for collaborating effectively with your team, managing tasks efficiently, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Let's dive right in. To start, open the Lovable project interface on your device. Once you're in, you'll see various options right on your dashboard. Your first step is to locate the section titled All Projects. This is essentially your gateway to everything you've been handling within the platform, so give that a click. Navigating through your list of projects, find the specific project to which you wish to add members. This part is crucial because having the correct project selected ensures that new members are contributing to the right place. Click on the chosen project to open it. This will take you to the project's main page, giving you a comprehensive view of everything that's going on within. Notice the array of options available to you on this project's page. For this task, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll see the icon labeled Share. This is your next destination. Clicking Share opens a new window or a pop-up, depending on your settings, designed specifically for enhancing your collaborative efforts. Now, within this sharing section, you have a couple of options. You can either type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite, or if you prefer to manage your invites differently, there's another handy tool. Locate the option to copy invite link. Simple, right? If you decide to go the email route, make sure you enter the email addresses correctly to avoid any confusion down the line. Hit send and voila, your colleagues are invited directly through email and can join the project as members. On the other hand, copying the invite link gives you the flexibility to share that link in multiple ways. Perhaps you like the convenience of sending a quick message, or maybe your team prefers communication through other channels like chat apps. Simply paste this link into your preferred channel, and anyone with access can join in as a project member. Remember, adding team members quickly and efficiently not only saves you time, but also ensures that everyone stays well informed and aligned with the project's goals. Keep in mind these fundamental steps every time you're about to expand your team within Lovable project. This process fosters a collaborative environment and helps maintain the smooth flow of teamwork. That's all for today. I hope this walkthrough that makes the task of adding members to your Lovable project both simple and straightforward. Enjoy working collaboratively and making the most out of your projects. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in,